I'm back again, this time wearing this kind of bonnet for the first time, so I have no idea how the light's going to hit or if it's going to stay on. Wish me luck. Stay tuned. No, but today I actually would like to do another unbagging, because most things come in bags in the mail because it's cheaper, of Violet Fane's The Funeral skirt and veil slash overskirt slash cape. It was too multifunctional for me to resist. I love a good multifunction garment. I went ahead and cut the bag open for the purposes of this video. Please don't look at my private information. I did not see, though, that the bag has really gorgeous designs on it. Now I'm glad that I carefully cut it open instead of ripping into it the way I normally do. Alright, gonna slide it right out of here. Ooh, not packaged in the most gorgeous way possible, but pretty nice. Oh, wow. So, this is what it looks like in the bag. It's got her business card in there. Oh, that's a wonderful sound. Alright. Gotta make this quick again, because my phone still won't let me record anything over 5 minutes. Okay. We've got... It's like, I think this is a sticker, actually, which is pretty cool. It says, Violet Fane, Lolita fashion brand, subtle horror, magical garments. I don't know if that's a play on, like, textile. Subtle textile? I don't know. And a business card. Alright. And first up is the skirt. Oh, it's a very smooth material. I'm not sure what it is. Some kind of synthetic, I'm guessing. But it's much lighter weight than I thought, which is not bad. So here it is. I don't know how well that's going to show up on camera, but there we go. It's got coffins and flowers and skulls, and normally I'm not as much into the gothic prints because they go a little too hard into the hard blacks and crosses thing, and while I really love gothic romantic stuff, I'm not into the prints, you know what I mean? But this is super cool, and it's a little bit more Victorian goth, I guess. It's got some nice lace at the bottom with little flowers on it. Not the softest lace in the world, but it's nice and stiff, so that way you won't have to worry about it doing that thing where it like flips up and you have to iron it down, and that's just annoying, like on older school items. But yeah, so let's see if I can get an okay shot of the skirt itself. Wow, it's really beautiful. It does have this little hidden away mascot angel, which is pretty spiffy. Nice stretch too. Alright, and the cape slash overskirt slash veil, which again, super useful. I like that. Oh, it's like a swallowtail. Do I look dramatic? It's got a couple little flowers sewn on it, which is very cute. And it's a couple of layers of soft tulle, I think. I'm not really good with fabric types, as seen in the last video I made. But you can put it across your shoulders, or around your waist, or over your head. I will be doing all three. Alright, if you hear my cat fussing in the background, it's because he's silly. Okay, well, that wasn't super detailed, but I'm probably already running out of time. Thank you for joining me one more time. Maybe one day I'll actually put some production into these videos instead of just doing it for myself. Alright, and, oh! Yes, that's right, the lining of Violet Fane stuff is printed, which is really cool. It's a nice little detail. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you did, a lot of people probably won't, and that's okay, because this is mostly for me.